Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video on my favorite feminine washes by small black owned brands. And I was thinking about it and I was like, I honestly can't even call these brands small anymore because these girls are literally killing the game and they are just doing it so big and they're very inspiring to me as a small business owner. And yeah, when I look at them, I'm just so proud and honored. So I just wanted to show you guys my favorite feminine washes. So I want to start off with the one that I adore and love the most. I think this is my favorite one, and it's from the brand Ormorphia. And I'm sure if you guys use shop from small businesses, I'm sure you heard of this brand already. But this is her gentle Yoni wash. And I really appreciate that she came out with a gentle Yoni wash because I am a sensitive girl with very sensitive skin there. And so for girls like me who can't take too much fragrance, too much ingredients, too much power, we just need a gentle version because we love the clean feel, but we just need a gentle version. I'm just so happy that she made a gentle version. The one thing that I really love about all of these products is that it just has that cool feeling and it just gets you so nice and so clean. And honestly, I've never had that feeling before I started using the natural Yoni washes. Like when I would use Dove or Dial or any of those other store-bought soaps, I never got that clean feeling and that feeling that keeps me clean all day. I never got that. So I'm so happy that I stumbled across this world of feminine washes and of Yoni washes, and the door has just been open for me and I'm just appreciative. But anyway, I'm going on a rant. Back to the gentle Yoni wash. I really love her ingredients because not only, like I said, do they get me squeaky clean, but the one thing that I adore about her is that she uses coconut oil. And my GYN had actually mentioned to me at the top of this year, because like I said, I have thin skin and I do groom. So it just gets irritated sometimes and it's very thin. And he recommended that I use coconut oil. So I was like, maybe this is why I really love her products so much, because she uses coconut oil in the Yoni wash, but she also uses coconut oil in her Yoni oil. And this oil, I always find myself going back to. Like every time she drops, I always find myself getting a backup of a backup of a backup. And I just can't put this Yoni oil down. Even when I use like a different one, they don't give me the same feel that this one gets. And I think that it is the coconut oil, because coconut oil is antibacterial and antimicrobial. So I think that that plays a part in why her Yoni oil is so good, and not to mention it smells good too. But yeah, so this is my absolute favorite brand right now. Like I buy backups of backups of backups of this. I have under my sink is full of Ormorphia's products, and actually this is a new one because I just got a new package in the mail the other day. So these are the new ones. But yeah, I love her products. So yeah. The next brand that I'm gonna mention, I love and adore as well, and I actually had the privilege of providing this boss babe with a service. She actually purchased a few of my body butters, and I'm just so honored and I'm just so proud and just so thankful that she supported my small business, because I'm literally a small business. Like I'm literally a small business. So I'm just so appreciative. But I genuinely love her products too. And the one product that I have that really like turned me on to all of her products was the Sweet Nani Feminine Gel. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love this color. So this is the same with Ormorphia. Like when I use it, I get that sweet, I get that squeaky clean feeling. And like I said, I've just never had that feeling before. I love that when I use this, I don't have to worry about like hours later. Like, this takes care of me all day. And I also wanted to mention, because this is one of her new products, this is the boric acid gentle feminine wash, and it's by the same brand, the Awakened by Nature's Beauty brand. And this is honestly so innovative, and this is a game changer, because if you think about the actual boric acid suppository, it's supposed to remove all of that nasty bacteria, and she put that in a Yoni wash, which I think is so creative and so cool. So it kind of like kills two birds with one stone. Such a game changer. But I've used this 3 times already, and I will honestly say, like, it will be days where I can go all day. Like, usually, you know how you sometimes feel, especially after like, can I say, like, urinating and, you know, using the bathroom, you kind of feel yucky. But after using these, like, literally, you still feel so fresh and so clean. So I definitely think that you guys should get your hands on these products, especially this one. This is one of her newest products, and I can already tell that it's a game changer, and it is a standard. Like, it is the standard. Like, I love this so much. So like I said, this is the Awakens by Nature, and also I'm just so honored because she purchased from me. I know I kept saying that, but I'm very thankful. So the next brand that I want to mention is a big staple, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of this brand, but this is the Goddess of the Sea brand. Excuse me. This is the Goddess of the Sea brand, and this is her premium Yoni wash. The one thing that really intrigued me about this is you can literally see the herbs on the inside. You can literally see the herbs on the inside. So you just know it works. But this one also gives you that fresh, cool feeling that I really love, and makes you really feel so clean. And she actually loads it up with herbs. So you get your, and she also has coconut oil in hers too. I love that. I love that. But she has tea tree oil, coconut oil, oregano oil, peppermint oil, chamomile essential oil, lang lang essential oil, herbal infused oil, peppermint, and oregano herbs. Like, just a game changer. Squeaky clean. It doesn't like strip your skin. It doesn't make it feel dry. It's like one of those squeaky cleans that you just feel so refreshed. And then once you top it with the Yoni oil, you can go on about your day and you can be confident. That's the thing with these Yoni washes. You are more confident. You don't have to worry about none of that. So yeah, this is the Goddess of the Sea. Definitely a staple. So last but not least, I feel like this is an honorary mention because this particular Yoni wash is what introduced me to this whole world of feminine washes. Like, this is what opened the door for me to be in this world. And I'm sure you guys already know what I'm about to say because she is the moment. She's all over social media and worth the hype, completely worth the hype. But like I said, this introduced me to this world of Yoni wash. And if you haven't guessed already, it is Salt XO. Definitely worth the hype. And this is see, I had bought so many when she had launched the first time I got it, which has to be like almost a year ago, that I still have extras. Look at this color though. Such a pretty color. These girls are so creative. I just can't get over how I didn't know about this and I was just struggling with my Dove soap, thinking if I used the unscented Dove soap, it was gonna get me clean. Like, I was struggling. But then I found this world and now I am just appreciative, like I said. But yeah, Salt XO is the same zhuzh. It's a peppermint feel. You feel squeaky clean. I mean, what more can I say? Like, I feel like I've said it all, but get into that color. Get into that color. And what I love from them is they provide you with different colors every time. But like I said, you can't go wrong with supporting any of these brands because you're gonna literally feel like a new woman. literally. But let's get into some of these ingredients. Lavender oils, water. It don't take much. It don't take much. This is such a pretty bottle. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this video now because it's already 10 minutes. But I just wanted to just hop on here and just share with you guys some of my favorite feminine washes. I hope you guys enjoy. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Forever Brianna Skincare. That is Forever, Briana Skincare. Or you can check out my website. I do sell whipped body butters. Same zhuzh, www.foreverbriannaskincare.com. I would love for you to support, or even I would love for you to just browse or just follow. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please leave in the comments what you would like to see from me next. I was thinking that I was gonna do some of my favorite small businesses that sell whipped body butters, because even though I sell whipped body butters, I still love to support my small businesses. It's just in me. It's just who I am. So I love to support, and I actually have come across some staples in that department as well. So I was gonna make that my next video. Yeah. I'll see you guys in that video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.